Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about airmonsters.com? Then watch this video till the end because we are going to share unbiased review on this website as people from all over the world, especially from United States, are very curious to know about the details. The website deals with special products like storage and outdoor games for children. It sells quite a useful product using for everyone as everyone needs outside storage for their homes as it is not easy to store many things under one roof. The same goes for outdoor sports for children as there is less slide parks whereas there are more children who are willing to use it. So let's check out the specification. The website was formed on 26th of January 2021, which means it has completed its 6 months duration. HTTPS secured website, email address, physical address and contact detail have been shared. Multiple payment method options are available. You can return the product within 30 days of your purchase. Refund will not be given. Free shipping over the order of $59 and above. It takes 22 to 25 days to deliver the product. Positive point of the website are the website has completed 6 months duration. For a single product line there is variety of different companies available. The price is very satisfying for all the products. The negative point of the website are the website is a bit new. The website does not have many followers. The website is hiding the owner's information. The website does not provide any refund. A similar server for fake website and this website was found. So question here is this website legit? As we are checking out certain parameters, so by then we will be able to decide about its legitimacy. It was created on 26 January 2021. Its trust score is about 38.6% out of 100. Alexa ranking is not available. No customer review could be found, and as far as website content is concerned, it seems original. The policies for the sites were not in support of their customer. Moreover, we are unable to gather any information about the customer or address originality. The website was not connected to any social media platform. Unrealistic discount could not be seen. As far as reviews are concerned, and we all know that a website needs to have numerous customer reviews because it cannot grow without the support of its customers. In today's time, every website on higher stakes of expanding itself surely has customer reviews. So in this case of the site, we found even 6-month-old website but no customer review is available. So in our conclusion we can say that it is to be known for this website that we must not trust it because it is highly suspicious website and it has many negative points and less positive aspects. So we are not recommending you at all. And if anyone have personal experience of shopping from this store and you want to share your reviews, please do write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.